Are you a fan of music? Do you spend hours of your time listening to music? Well, stick around to know how you can get paid $6 for every song you listen to. Calling all music lovers out there, if your hobby is discovering new songs and endlessly listening to them, not to mention earning at the same time, you've come to the right video. In this method, a single song can let you earn $6. 2 songs can let you earn twice as much, and so on and so forth. You know the math. The more songs you listen to, the more money you can earn. Are you ready to know more about this hustle? Stick around to know the step-by-step process of listening to a song and earning from it. Now, the very first step is to open up Google on your internet browser and type in the search bar Jamendo. You can see that the topmost result is Jamendo.com. That is one of the websites that we will be using, so click on that. Jamendo.com is actually the first platform to legally share music for free from any creator under Creative Commons licenses. According to their website, Jamendo is all about connecting musicians and music lovers from all over the world with a goal to bring together a diverse worldwide community of independent music, creating experience and value around it. Upon clicking on that link, you will then be directed to a pink and blue themed website. Click on the one with the pink side on the left and hit that start button. Once done, you will see right away on the website homepage the vast list of songs that you can choose from. These songs are actually copyright-free music, which actually means that these particular songs are not protected by copyright law, and when you use it, you will not be flagged with any copyright issues. Now, I know that we all have different tastes in music. Some of us like the classics, reggae, country music, the most popular, which is pop, and so much more. On Jamendo Music, you get to experience a wide catalog of more than 500,000 tracks, which is actually collaborated by over 40,000 artists from over 150 different countries from all over the world. Jamendo's mission is to offer the perfect platform for all independent artists wishing to showcase their creations to an international audience. They believe that any creative artist in the world is definitely entitled to share their love for music and should at least have a chance to be heard by a greater number of people around the world who share the same love for music. There are about hundreds of thousands of people that are already making money from this website daily. Do you want to do the same? Continue watching this video because I'm about to show you how you can monetize this opportunity. All you gotta do now is log into the Jamendo website. Don't have an account yet? Don't worry because signing up is super easy. You can simply create an account using your Facebook, Google, or just create a new account by inputting your email and password. Once you're in, you will then see a couple of choices for trending music that are automatically suggested for you. You can explore this on your own later. We just have to focus on the music located at the top part of your screen, which can generate you income. Once you're on the list, you can click on the More button to be able to see more music options. By the way, are you more comfortable using your phone? Did you know that you can download the Jamendo app from the website? Give it a try. It's available for Android and Apple users. To continue, here's a quick tip to make your experience easier. As you can see on the top part under the Tracks option, there are 3 drop-down buttons you can customize. The Best of option, the All Genres option, and finally the All Countries option. What you want to do here is select the All Genres button and choose which one you're most interested in, and leave the remaining 2 buttons as is. To make the most out of this, I suggest you select the Pop Music option. There are thousands of music to choose from, so don't get too overwhelmed. Surely there's something that will suit your taste. Like what I mentioned earlier, for every song you listen to, you get to earn $6 repeatedly. So just listen to some of these songs and download them. Once you've selected a song to download, just click on the red play button to listen to it. Some of these songs can last up to 4 minutes. Don't worry though, because you don't have to listen to it all to be able to download it. Once you're satisfied with the song you've chosen, head on to the right side of your screen and click on the download button on the far right and then choose free download. You can actually try to download as many songs as you want, which means that you can also make as much money as you want. For the next step, we will then have to open up 3upload.com. According to their website, 3upload.com allows you unlimited storage which you can use to upload files and share them with others to make money. So when we share our music files, it will pay us so we can generate income. This website is not only limited to music files though. You can also upload other files such as images, videos, and so on and so forth. Did I mention that this website is free? You don't have to pay anything to use it. Through this website, you can quickly download, upload files easily, and earn money in several ways, just like selling your files or offering your own books for sale. Now let us head on to the homepage button and hit on that Upload Files button. Once your upload is done, it will then generate a unique link that has your song, and then all that's left to do is have people listen and download the song from that generated link. Once you're done with that, you will then get paid $6. Stay in this view because I'm going to show you some tricks on how to get people to listen to your song using that generated link. Head on to the Make Money option on the upper right of 3upload.com. From there, you will find more details on how to get paid and the different rates that are available. If you scroll down a bit, you will then notice that there is actually a classification of different tiers. Each tier is a classification of different countries. For example, Tier 1 includes countries such as USA, Canada, and Brazil. Tier 2 is for countries such as Germany, France, UK, and Saudi Arabia, and the list goes on. These tiers also have different rates, so you can actually get paid more than $6. How this works is that you can get downloads from different countries belonging to certain tiers. You will earn the equivalent amount of each tier. This website provides a lot of different payment methods such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Payeer, PayPal, and much more. The good news is that, according to their website, they provide the most electronic bank widely used to facilitate the arrival of payment wherever you are in the world. Additionally, for most banks, the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1. Also, another way to earn from this website is by making referrals or inviting more people to check out this website. If you're interested in making an account, all you have to do is click sign up and fill out all the necessary information required. In the payment method, it is highly suggested that you go with PayPal. You don't have to worry if you don't have a PayPal account because signing up is also pretty quick. Just fill up the forms, provide your information, and follow their other instructions. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Once you're in, there is another button that says Upload Files. This can be seen on the upper right of your screen next to the flag and the Logout button. Simply select the File Upload option. Hit on the blue box that says Browse Files to be able to select the file that you downloaded on your computer. If you already have your generated link, just copy it and send it to the people to download the song from it. After they successfully do that, you will then be able to get paid. For the last part of the video, all you need to do now is to get people to actually listen and download your music. For example, you can do this by simply copying your generated link and share it to Facebook groups that are interested in music. Remember, you can always stream all the music for free, download it, and support its creator. Become a music enthusiast and be part of a great discovery experience. What's your favorite copyright-free music? Comment down below to share it with our growing community. If you want to know more about these side hustle opportunities, just leave a comment on what topics we should explore next. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we have other videos up. Now remember, being wealthy does not only mean financial wealth, it's how you interpret it to be. Check out our other videos to start your journey now. Take control of your life and be on the wealthy side. See ya!